There was a king who took great care of his subjects. He used to go among his subjects and listen to their problems. He tried to solve their problems. His dedication was talked about far and wide. Once the king was out to tour his kingdom, then a button of his kurta broke. Seeing this, the king immediately called his minister and ordered him to call a good tailor from the village who could fix the button of his kurta. Hearing this, the minister started looking for a tailor in the village. By chance, he found a tailor. He had a small shop in the village. The tailor was soon brought to the king. The king asked the tailor if he could sew button of his kurta. The tailor said that this is a very easy job. The tailor took out thread from his bag and sewed buttons on the kurta. The king was very happy and asked him how much money he should give him. On this, the tailor said that he cannot charge money for such a small work. On this, the king said that he will definitely pay for it. The tailor thought that he has just used the thread, so I will ask for 2 rupees for it. Then the tailor thought that the king might think that if he gets 2 rupees for such a small work, then how much money he must be charging from the villagers. After thinking everything, the tailor said that he will take whatever he wishes to give. Hearing this, the king decided to give him 2 villages according to his status. The king said that he gave this order so that his status in the society does not dismiss. The tailor thought in his mind that he was asking for 2 rupees and now he became the owner of 2 villages. Learning from this story is we learn that we all think according to our capacity, but God gives us everything according to His capacity. We ask for small things and sometimes God gives us something good and big depending on His capacity to give.